Good morning, students. Today is 30th April, Friday, and our topic is separation of substances. Topic is separation of substances. In this topic, we have studied about the how we separate the substances and why we separate the substances from each other. Okay, now in the topic we have today our topic is in the separation of the substances is methods of separating of substances. If we talk about the how or the methods about the methods by that we separate to the substances from each other. Okay, now these are four types of these are four methods by that we separate to the substances. And the first method is separating solids from other solids, separating insoluble solids from liquids, separating soluble solids from liquids, and separation of liquids. These are four methods of separating of solids. Now today we will talk about the first method of separation of substances, and that is separating solids from other solids. In that point we have discussed about that in the mixture constituting of different solid substances, the constituent particles differ from each other in the terms of shape, size, and color. So we can make use of these properties to separate a mixture of solids. Okay, now different methods are used for these purposes, like hand picking, threshing, winnowing, and sieving. First is hand picking, threshing, winnowing, and sieving. Now let's discuss about the hand picking. What is hand picking? Hand picking is the easiest and the most commonly used method for separating the components of a mixture. It involves simply picking out substances by hard separating of them from each other. It is done when, first point, the components of the mixture to be separated differ in color, size, and shape. Second, the undesirable components are present in small amounts. Third, the quantity of the mixture is small. Okay, now and the last point is small stones and unwanted grains are separated from rice, dal, etc. using these methods. Okay, now our next point is threshing. Our next point is what? Threshing. Okay, let's discuss on that. What is threshing? Threshing is common term in agriculture. It is method of separating grains from the stalks. After harvesting the crops, it can be done manually with the help of the cattle or by using machines. In manual threshings, the stalks are beaten on a hard surface. The grains, having heavier than the stalk, tend to the loosen and fall apart. Okay, now it's time for your homework. What is the component? You have to tell me what is component. Okay, in the class. Thank you.